You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce those two words. In English, they are pronounced exactly the same way in English as sail. Yes, you have a diphthong, meaning you have two different sounds within the first syllable. Sail. Sail. The top word is when a shop is having a promotion, they're having a sale, or they are selling something, a sale. The bottom word is what you have on boats. Sail. Sail. They are homophones, same exact pronunciation. Sail. Did you get this? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.